How to screen record on Snapchat without them knowing iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can screen record on Snapchat without anybody knowing. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to screen record on Snapchat without anyone knowing on iPhone, the problem here is quite simple. If you opened up your Snapchat application here, then you went to this little chats icon, you viewed a snap, but before you viewed the snap, you turned on screen recording and then you started recording the screen. This will let them know that you recorded the screen. But there is a trick to not getting caught. When you're on the snap page, before you view your snap, just turn off any access to internet. Turn off your Wi-Fi, turn off your cellular data, and turn on flight mode if possible. Once you turn on flight mode, you will not get connected to the internet. Now, because the snap has already been loaded, you can try to view that particular snap, and then you can actually start recording. So start the recording and then view that particular snap over there. Once you're done recording, end your screen recording as well, then close the Snapchat app. But what we still need to do is, do not turn on your Wi-Fi, remember, because it will notify them. What you have to do is delete the Snapchat app completely from your iPhone, then restart your iPhone. Now you can turn on your Wi-Fi, then you can go ahead and reinstall Snapchat app and log in, and it will not notify them that you took a screen recording. So this is the way to do it. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.